Here I have Motorola Moto G31, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. Tap on it once and you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add interrupt. What can interrupt Do Not Disturb? So basically you can just add exceptions to this mode. For example, it could be conversations, it could be calls from shared contacts, from anyone or from nobody. The same goes to messages. You can also add apps to the exceptions. You can add alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, and calendar events. You can set a schedule for this mode. For example, you can edit its name, you can select days on which it be active, start time, end time. In advanced, you can also set the default duration of this mode, and you can hide only sound notification, you can hide visual notifications too, and you have these custom preferences for this notification hiding. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.